Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video covers the definitions of corrosion, part 1. Other parts to follow. This slide also has my name on it, my website, and the contact number. Introduction to the definition of corrosion. Corrosion has been defined in many ways by corrosion scientists, corrosion engineers, and academics, and its definition is still in progress. This video covers definitions of corrosion as found in the literature and the web. More videos to follow on the definition of corrosion. Stay tuned. This slide covers corrosion is the undesirable deterioration of a metal or alloy. That is an interaction of the metal with its environment that adversely affects those properties of the metal that are to be preserved. This definition is also applicable to non-metallic materials such as glass, wood, concrete, ceramics, and composites. This definition considers corrosion as a deleterious process only and referred to as deterioration definition. This definition was published by the Corrosion Wooley H.H. Corrosion Handbook 1948. This definition is given by the Corrosion Evans Ewer 1960. Corrosion is a branch of chemical thermodynamics or kinetics as the outcome of electron affinities of metals and non-metals as short-circuited electrochemical cells or as the demolition of the crystal structure of a metal. This definition is given by the Hoare TP 1961. The term metallic corrosion embraces all interactions of metal or alloy, solid or liquid, with its environment, irrespective of whether this is deliberate and beneficial or advantageous and deleterious. This definition includes, for example, the deliberate and ordinary solution of zinc in cathodic protection and electroplating as well as the spontaneous gradual wastage of zinc roofing sheet resulting from atmospheric exposure. This is called transformation definition. This definition is given by Vermiglia 1961. Corrosion at an atomic scale is considered as the process in which atoms or molecules are removed one at a time. The evaporation of matter into vacuum falls within the scope of this definition. This definition is given by the Fontana MG 1967. Corrosion is the deterioration of or destruction of material because of its reaction with the environment. Second definition given as the corrosion is an extractive metallurgy in reverse. This definition given by Evans again, 1969, destruction of metal by chemical or electrochemical action. This definition is given by Ulrich 1969. Corrosion is the destruction of a metal by chemical or electrochemical reaction with its environment. This definition is given by the Fontana MG and Steele. Corrosion is the reaction of metals, glasses, ionic solids, polymeric solids, and composites with environments. The environment may be liquid metals, gases, non-aqueous electrolytes, and other non-aqueous solutions. This definition again by Fontana, MG and Steele, 1972. Corrosion includes the degradation of metals in aqueous environment, high temperature oxidation, including all solids and all environments. Solids include metals, glasses, ionic solids, polymeric solids, and composites. An environment extended to liquid metals, gases, non-aqueous electrolytes, and other non-aqueous liquids, where cavitation, fretting, and other forms of degradation are considered in this definition of corrosion. This definition given by Schreier L. 1977. Corrosion in the context of corrosion science is considered as the reaction of a solid with its environment. Corrosion in the context of corrosion engineering is the reaction of an engineering construction material with its environment with a consequent deterioration in properties of the metal or material. This definition came from Fontana M.J. and D. Green, 1978. Corrosion is the deterioration of a material because of a reaction with its environment. Second definition is destruction of material other than mechanical. Third is extractive metallurgy in reverse. This definition of corrosion is given by Fontana M.G. and N.D. Green. Corrosion is the deterioration and disintegration of materials because of chemical, electrochemical, and physical reactions of the environment. Thank you very much for devoting your attention.